Okay, I'm going to show you how to examine the abdomen for PACES. First of all, from the end of the bed. The patient is comfortable from the end of the bed. I'm just going to show you what I can see from the end of the bed here. Okay, from the end of the bed, the gentleman has an arthropathy of his hands. He has a right brachioradial fistula, which has no needle marks in it. On further inspection, there is evidence of a left subclavian puncture at some stage, and this could be an important clue as to perhaps central line insertion for possible dialysis previously, given that he has a fistula. So just from the end of the bed, I'm looking at modes of renal replacement. So this could be emergency hemodialysis, this could be a more long-term form of renal replacement. Now, on inspection of his abdomen, he has a midline scar, which could be a result of peritoneal dialysis. And then I can see an oblique scar in the right iliac fossa, which is probably a renal transplant. Now, I haven't actually laid a hand on this patient. This is all about inspection from the end of the bed. Now, I'm going to show you how to palpate the abdomen for PACES. PACES, superficial palpation, is the most important thing, and that's the most important thing moving forwards. You will find the organ on superficial palpation, deep is just feeling the edge. If you are going more than 1 centimetre deep, one, you're going to hurt the patient, and secondly, you're going to miss signs. So I'm just going to show you how to palpate the abdomen. Superficial palpation, I'm barely putting my hand on the abdomen, I'm not removing it, but I'm just feeling. With each move, I'm asking myself, what is under my hand? I'm also keeping an eye on the patient. Okay, so this is superficial palpation. With superficial palpation, I can feel this kidney without any problem. Okay, and I have not hurt the patient. I have found the kidney. I am not doing this. I'm not doing this. I am just simply moving my hand across. Now, when you come to the course, this is how you palpate the abdomen. If you hurt the patient, A, you will fail the exam, and 2, the patient will not be happy. Okay, deep palpation, just take some deep breaths in for me, sir. Deep palpation should not be more than 1 centimetre into the skin, okay? That is as deep as I'm going to go, and that will elicit the signs, okay? Obviously, there is no fluid in this abdomen. I'm not going to bother with looking for ascites for this case, but just take a deep breath for me, sir. Now, I'm just blotting. There is no palpable kidney on this side. Just take a deep breath for me. There is no palpable kidney on this side. So the take-home message here is superficial palpation. Don't remove your hand, don't put much pressure, and with each time you're moving your hand on the abdomen, ask yourself, what is under my hand? Okay, thank you so much.